Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to move a sprite using the arrow keys in Scratch. Let's take a look at the code and break it down step by step. First, let's choose a sprite. I'm selecting Toby from the Sprite library. You can find Toby by clicking on the sprite icon and searching for it. Now let's add a background. I'm picking the blue sky backdrop. You can choose it by clicking the backdrop icon and selecting it from the library. Now, let's add the code that will let us move Toby using the arrow keys. It all starts with the yellow block at the top, when green flag clicked. This means the code starts running when we click the green flag button. Next, we have a forever loop. That means everything inside this block keeps repeating again and again, as long as the program is running. Now let's check out what's inside. The first block checks if the right arrow key is pressed. If it is, the sprite moves to the right by changing the X position by 10. The next block checks if the left arrow key is pressed. If yes, the sprite moves left by changing X by -10. So, right key changes X by +10, left key changes X by -10. This controls horizontal movement. Next up, the up arrow key moves the sprite up by changing Y by 10. And the down arrow key moves it down by changing Y by -10. So, up key changes Y by 10, down key changes Y by -10. That controls vertical movement. And that's it. With just a few blocks, we've created smooth movement using all 4 arrow keys. Now you can move your sprite in all directions, left, right, up, and down. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Scratch tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!